to another JCN trading channel video. Guys, this has been, oh, technical difficulties. There we go. I'm sorry about that. Mouse came out. It's been a journey. As you guys can see, I got this trading list pulled up on purpose. You can see we got $49 in the account. And you can see that I went on a pretty good losing streak here. But guys, that's before I implemented and just tweaked my strategy just a little bit. So we're gonna scroll up here a little bit and we can see the wins starting to pour in. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. We lost a couple more. 3 right there, then 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 in a row. Lost 3, and then guys, the wins start to pour in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. About 16, 2 losses. 16 wins in a row, guys. 2 losses. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 wins. 2 losses. Then guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Currently on a 7-win streak. So as you guys can see, literally out the last probably say 30 trades. Out the last 30 trades, I probably missed about 6. Okay, so 24 out of 30 is not that bad. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I'm keeping it pretty simple. Um, so basically, just keeping it simple, guys. What I'm doing is I'm looking on the right hand side, identifying the trend, whether my candles are above my 50 EMA, which is this thick purple line right here. My legs going up. I'm identifying whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Simple as that. If it's an uptrend, then I'm looking for a buy. But as you guys can see, if it's a downtrend, then I'm looking for a sell. But what's happening here is I'm using my Williams right here indicator and my stochastic oscillator to show me where the trend is going. Right now, it looks like we're kind of sort of going towards a downtrend, but we're going to wait until these candles actually cross below the 50 as it's doing so now. And as these candles, we got a little retest here, not worried about it. We're probably going to push up, but just focus on the strategy right now. So right now we're still above the 50. Let's just focus on the buy, right? Williams pointing up, stochastic pointing up. So now guess what we're going to look for on the left hand side, right? We're going to look for my awesome oscillator and my Osama oscillator, both to say that we're going up in the uptrend. That's probably too early, but guys, once again, soon I said it, hopped in for a trade, 5-second trade, we got it. Okay, so now we're going to switch to pairs. Now we want to make sure we got the same pairs while we do this. We're currently in a downtrend. We're below the 50 SMA. We're in our oversold bought area. Excuse me if you can't see this bottom of the stochastic because my screen recorder cut that part off, but we're in a oversold zone right now. And now we basically wait until uh, both our Osama, or the OSMA, and the Awesome Oscillator both says downtrend. We missed this entry down here, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure we got another one coming up soon. Um, but wait till this cross down because we're already below right here. And that might be indicating us for a downtrend right there. Boom, just like so. Guys, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11, 12. That's 12 wins in a row right there. Just following that simple strategy. Uh, I'm gonna be doing a little bit more on this, um, but once again, I'm gonna release the indicator settings right now. What I'm using, got a 21 SMA movement average on my line. I'm using 72110 on the. I call this my Osama oscillator, Osama or OSMA 72110. I adjusted that myself. Then my awesome oscillator 534, the default settings. Got the zigzag. I got a 50 EMA moving average over here, thick purple line right there in the middle. Got my Keltner channel and my default settings right there, just to kind of sort of indicate where we're at in a downtrend or on the bottom trend we're at. Then I got my Williams at a 7. Then I got my awesome oscillator right there. Guys, that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.